And we are almost reaching our venue, which is the River and Rock campsite. And here we reach our venue at Makkandur, the campsite stay. All of them are coming. Here comes Rudra. Comes Mudpod. And that's our campsite. We have 2-tire motor garage, and that's the Expulse which I was riding. So this is our venue for the day. Beautiful place by the riverside, and these are the camps that we've got. You see, these are all the camps. They've given us some chair, wood fire, and that's the riverside. And here's the entire riders. Amazing trail ride today, had so much fun. Wow, so can't wait to get into our stay now. And you see those monkeys, our boys, they're up to doing something. Check that out. Boys are just settling down. And yeah, just giving you a tour of this place. It's an amazing place. You have a small island kind of a piece there again, where you have 3 tents. We've got 4 tents here. 2 tents are there. And then yeah, check this out. Beautiful place. This is called Riverside Camping in Madikeri or Makkandur. We've got 2 tents here. You have some lights for the night stay, and then campfire by the tent, and I'm sure it'll get super cold in the evening. Namaskara. Tell me 2 words about today's ride, man.
Exceptionally amazing off-road and very good group we had today.
Yes.
We had a lot of fun today.
As usual.
As usual.
And what about the stay?
The stay is very good. Tents are very good, and the thing is this beautiful view.
This is what he meant. This amazing view and this big burp.
Beautiful. Beautiful, I like it. PG rating 60.
Yes, this is not accepted here. Our motor sapien is flying is peacock. Parrot. Sorry. Parrot drone.
Sponsored by Race Moto.
Evening time at riverside camping. Beautiful climate. It's just getting chill, and this was a truly backcountry trail, and now we're just gonna chill. Some good music, some talks about motorcycling, their experiences. We'll just have a nice get together, come to know each other better. And these are all the motorcycles. So let me just quickly chat with each of them and ask them how's their experience so far. Ravina, enchete neenida experience?
Super.
Dada gammatandu.
Gammattu main ave namma trails. Avu bari shokan.
Oh, super.
Onji Madikeri normal road day popi ನಾವು ಮಾತ್ರಲೆ popi ಏಪಲ ಹೋಗಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಏಪಲ ದಿಕ್ಕುಜಿ. ಬಾರಿ ಶೋಕಿತ್ತು ನಂದು.
Super.
ಗಮ್ಮತಾನ್ head experience.
Super. Sugan?
Yes, crazy fun ittundu, but off-road ennar davandundu. Next level steep ittundu, but I did it.
And the
Bike is coming.
Hope so. Expels, let's see.
Oh, fantastic.
So, yeah, that's all.
Superb. Hey, Ujjubhai.
Expulse has done amazing contents for me and amazing work for me.
First got other friends.
Otherwise, if I would have come on Dominar, I would be with this guy. But he has at least lightweight. I have heavyweight. I have heavyweight champion. But we all enjoyed it. All 10 bikers did it without any serious injuries or anything. Because the trails were tough, especially for you.
Really.
Especially the incline.
ನಮ್ಮದಾದಲ್ಲಿ
ಪನ್ಲೆ ಇದು ದಾದರ ಬಂಡರುತ್ತ ಬಾಯಿಡ್ ಬತ್ತಿನಂದು
ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ರೈಡ್ ಅವಮದು
ಅತ್ತ ಇತ್ತು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಗಮ್ಮತ್ತಂಡ ಮೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುಂಜಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಮಂದೇರು ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಮಂತದಿತ್ತು ತಿನ್ಪುನ ಸೀನ್
Sonay Mom Shop.
Motor Sapien,
Yes, sir.
how is your mud pot doing?
6 years me. Yeah, it was fun. Charisma engine ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ first ride.
ಓಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೀಗ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
I don't know. High lift cam shaft ಹಾಕಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ
ಒಂದು ಅಂದಾಜು ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು?
Probably stock ಇಂತ ಒಂದು 3 BHP more.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಸುಳ್ಳಿದಾದನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬನ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತ
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ಡೈತಂಡ ಬಟ್ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೈಲ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಇತ್ತಂಡ could have been bit trickier bird ittund but fine so that I could have tested the tire more precisely.
Okay, but otherwise how did the Rise tire perform?
Extremely well.
Okay,
Especially the off-road section,
Okay,
it just pulled me back.
Superb. Did you see you getting good traction?
Yeah, the bike was with the earlier tire it was slipping actually.
Okay.
All the I could not extract all the horsepower of it. But with this tire the engine was struggling to give the power. And I had to switch it to the first gear multiple times.
Okay,
So that is because of this that good traction.
which is giving.
Yes.
So you're making the best out of the power.
Yeah.
Superb.
We'll have fun.
Yes. So we have the new Expulse owner Madhu, share your experience.
Yeah, so what I would say is if you want to do off-road, that's one of the best bikes that to offer. One stretch did not stall anywhere, so you would have seen the videos by now, I guess. So that uphill stretch was like nothing, piece of cake.
Especially after owning a KTM, he can give you a real life experience.
Yeah. So in the Duke, probably I would have a fall. Not even once, twice, because it was too uphill, so my engine would stall. My bike would stall and I would lose the balance, I'm sure. But this bike, nothing, just went on and on.
Superb.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Worth the price.
Abhilash,
Yes sir.
how was your experience? Enchaytana?
Mast. First time group ride, but experience was wonderful.
Good?
Yeah.
So how was the ride experience in terms of organized well? Was it done well? Had fun?
So far, how much group rides, whatever I have done, this was like one of the coolest because I know the guys.
Okay.
So that was like most comfortable one for me.
Super.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Like I'm in Himalaya.
So the weather is like that.
Yes. I'm enjoying. That's why I changed to half t-shirt.
We've got a tricky route now to go. Let's quickly go there. And so this place can get a little more cooler as we stay here longer, because in the night they say the temperature can drop as low as 17 degrees, and all thanks to the riverside which is there. So we are bang on the river. So let's talk to music band one play. So we have Kiran, just share your experience. Honestly, how was it today?
One of the most memorable, which I would say.
Okay. Why?
After I've bought my Himalayan, I've never done this.
Okay.
It has never served the purpose for which I've bought, but today it has actually served. And I'm
Fantastic.
very happy that my buddy Himalayan has had the fun of his life, and many more to come. I'll surely join more adventure rides with you, my dear friend.
Okay. And how's the organized?
Ultimate. The location, your organization, the people over here, beautiful.
Thank you so much.
The climate, away from that civilized world. Thanks to the location that we don't have a mobile range, so no one is disturbing us.
Perfect.
So me and my
Water.
my glasses. My glasses.
So all set to cook some Maggi. So here's what we're doing. So here we are. And here we are cooking some Maggi. So we've kept the water to boil, and we'll make some nice Maggi ever. So yeah, that's the whole idea. So we thought, why not make the best of what we've got. So we are trying to cook some Maggi, and yeah, there will be food any which way served, but it's just the fun of being in this place.
Yes, Maggie. Campfire ಹಾಕಿದೆ.
It will cook faster if you do this. It will.
Hey, what a Padya phone play? Padya phone play, right? Then Padya phone play. Padya phone play, right? Maggie. Hey, Alpha, in the one play. This way, super to lage. Okay, for
Hot Maggi is ready in the middle of riverside camping site for Valley Rider boys and new members who have joined. There we go. 2 minutes Maggi. Which took half an hour. That Maggi will sponsor us next ride. Yes, I hope so. Maggi, if you're watching this, please give us 10 email. Yes. Contact me. I will make right for you.
car da barital lagi do jadun
Good morning. Shubhodaya. So morning, early morning at riverside camping. Freezing night. River rock camping. Freezing night. I think we would have seen at least a temperature of 16 degrees the lowest. That was shown by NKK last night in the weather forecast. but the feel would have been lesser than that. Literally freezing cold. And if you see the water now, you can see the mist floating on the water. And two of our riders just getting some pre-wedding marriage shoot. So let's wake up and get fresh and have some breakfast and all of that. And maybe then do what we did the best yesterday. Go for a trail again.
Inchala, what a proper word, inchala. Kule.
Good morning. Good morning. Who's this? Check out, everybody looks like some zombie people. It's super cold. No matter what. This is like super cold. And look at Madhu. Look at Madhu. Oh, check out all the bikes. Check out. Now, look at this. Look at this. And look at all the seats. Fully misty early morning. And best part, let me show you something, is that, look at that down there. Yes, you can see smoky kind of a thing. It's nothing but mist. Wow. And these boys just finished their pre-wedding photo session. Both of them were just standing and posing in different poses.
Your generator was so good whole night.
The kerosene, huh?
Diesel generator. Heavy noise.
Oh.
Full on entertainment. Whole night.
Time to move out of this place, which is the River and Rock campsite. Check this out. Yeah, had a brilliant time.